Mombierella here. So we are at
Anime Houston.
Day 2. And we're about to go have some more fun. This is Saturday, so this is the big day. Here, show them your...
No! Wait, you have to get back out of the door.
Morning. Gotta do a little touch up. Hey, what are you looking at?
The night is young, so are we. So close your eyes and set it free.
Song breaks are brutal.
Underneath the strobe lights, ready for a crazy night. Let me hear your heartbeat. Banging loud like a drum. Let me be your only one. You feel what I feel. I'm addicted to that sound. Turn it loud, just make it play. When the love is
What is your favorite piece of advice from Uncle Iro?
Oh, what's that when you look for the dark, you always find it, look for the light, or something. Somebody did that.
Always find the light. Something like that. Someone here probably knows the line.
All three of us?
All of us right now.
Shall we do a ceremony right now? We have to move to Salt Lake for this.
That's such a good TV show idea.
They have a show called Sister Wives.
I know, but
I
this
need to
would
catch up
be
on. I watched that.
Avatar Sister Wives.
Was that any other character in like anything, show, movie, etc.?
I just like doing villains, so it's like I don't get to do villains enough. My wheelhouse is kind of like 10-year-old girls, so like anything like Azula would be really fun.
Mine's the opposite, right? I want to play like a happy, peppy teenage girl or something.
Who do I want to play? Appa.
You think we have time for at least one more?
So obviously we know who your favorite character is, but if you had a second favorite character that inspired you or anything like that, who would it be? Any show, any anime, anything, the entire universe, just your second favorite character.
Any animated character ever?
Anyone.
I love The Little Mermaid. I love Ursula. I think she's like the best villain ever. So yeah, I don't think that character would exist today. Like they wouldn't write her like that. And then she's dope. Yeah. You know, that's so funny. It's I don't really often think about the first and then to go to the second. Whoa. You know what movie I like watching a lot of? Whenever it comes on, I'll watch Beauty and the Beast, which is very interesting. I didn't realize how much that I like the characters. Who would you be if you could be anyone in Beauty and the Beast?
This is so hard because my brain.
I know. Wait, who would I be in Beauty and the Beast?
Yeah.
There's like the teacup, and there's Lumiere, and there's Gaston, and there's his dumb friend. Is the armoire. Yeah. She's fun. Or I do like Belle too, though.
I'm wondering what they would think other character we should play in Avatar. You know?
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah,
That's
like-
a lot of opinions.
Yeah, it is.
Super chorus. Super chorus.
Oh my god, that's brilliant.
Well, thank you so much, you guys.
That's awesome. So come out and meet some of the voice actors today. This is a very talented Olivia Hack, and she's one of my favorites from Avatar: The Last Airbender, Tyree. I love that you cosplayed today. That's so awesome. It always surprises me how many characters I don't know that y'all done the voice acting. I just like I love meeting here because then I'm just like, oh wait, what? That's so awesome.
Always trying, that's for sure.
How I tried, written down the words to say it is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out. Wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind. Baby, you're the one. And tonight I am going all the way. But when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. I love you, ooh, 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 and all the things that you do, ooh, ooh. Sounds like a fool 'cause when you touch my hand, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is say I love you.
I lost my niece in here somewhere. It's a little crowded in the artist alley right now. I'll find her eventually. Hey, buddy. Wait, he's there.
Nerdcon. It's gonna be great. She's gonna be there.
I will. Let's try. Are these all your own designs? They are? Yeah. We're huge Studio Ghibli fans. Well, and he's over here playing Pokemon Go while we're walking around.
I love that.
Oh, look. Casper. Oh, and Pokemon, right? So yeah, no one likes that. I recognize.
Touch my hand, it all just goes away. The things I plan to say, oh baby, what I am trying to do is let you know that when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I plan, the things
I don't see your name. Do you have like a website or? Yeah, I think
so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you, and all the things that you do. I'm so in love with you. It sounds so stupid now. What I am trying to do, what I am trying to do, what I am trying to do is say I love you. This town's so late.
I want to get a picture with.
It's 4 a.m. I'm not even tired. We're in your car. We can drive away. Oh yeah. We're almost there. I'm loving this feeling of something new.
So this is for a pattern for an actual Lolita dress. That is really cool. Oh, the sparkle so cool with the white. Oh my gosh.
Listen to the midnight radio.
Do you orders through your Instagram? Like, do you do custom posting to people? And so you won't be able to catch her in Texas. So you'll have to catch her online on her Instagram. So yeah, it's gonna pop up right there. There, I'm gonna pop it in the video right there. There it is. This is a new one coming up. Oh, that's so cool. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Now that's Kingdom Hearts, right?
That one is Kingdom. Yes.
Okay, that one I know.
Yes.
But it's a mashup with
It's a mashup with Kagami Land.
Oh, that's awesome.
Len is going to be in Sora's clothes, and Sora is going to be in Len's clothes.
Oh, that's awesome. I love the mashup. That's so cool. Oh, I'm going to show this one. That looks really cool. So this one's double-sided. So that's what makes this one really cool. That is so awesome.
Listen to the midnight radio. We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait all my life, can't remember.
group. True. Oh, look at the thing. Look at the fire, it's so cute. And it jingles. Look at this. Oh, I like that too. I have a reptile dysfunction and I'm not crazy. Oh really? Do you have a lot of reptiles?
I actually only have 2 right now.
Oh, right.
Maybe in the
I say this would happen. What a dramatic entrance, man. That was pretty smooth. Is this authorized? I love you.
Thank you so much for joining us. This is only part 1 of day 2 from Anime Houston, and there's lots more to come, as well as other events coming up soon, like Terra Fest that is happening this weekend, so you definitely don't want to miss out on what's coming up. So make sure to hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and ring that notification bell if you haven't yet, because you definitely don't want to miss it. And share with a friend who you think might be interested too. Comment down below, do you cosplay? What's one of your favorites that you've seen in this video? Huge thank you to all of those who've supported me in what I do. If you're interested in supporting me, check out my links as well as my Patreon in the description of the video down below. And remember, let it go, keep moving forward. Love you guys, have a magical day. See you next time. Bye.